restoration industry, I own my own company. So we do mitigation, repairs. We do roofing as well. I also am an instructor for the IICRC. I teach WRT in English and Spanish. I'm the only one in the world that can do that as of now. So I travel a lot, and it's something that's, we've definitely needed for a long time. Yeah, so I've learned while instructing that some people can learn better visually, and others actually have to do it hands-on. So what we were trying to do here at the experience is give people the opportunity to actually, instead of just watching it on a video or reading it in a book, to actually get the opportunity to do it in person. So we brought all the materials that were needed to actually construct a containment. And today they were teaching people how to don on and off PPE. So it's been about a year and a half since I've become an instructor for the IICRC. I work under EMTA, Emergency Mitigation Technician Academy. And it's just been a thrill. I'll have to admit, the first class I ever taught, I was kind of nervous, but once we started, it was wonderful. Teaching people in their native language, you can just see their eyes light up, and they get it. They understand why they're doing things. Before they were just told to do it, being micromanaged, and just cut everything out, not knowing why, or putting air movers and dehumidifiers in and not knowing how many, or or even how they work. So I love it when I get them together. We're speaking their native language and teaching them terms and categories and classes, and they understand it. They get it. It's just something that inside of me. I love doing it. I mean, it's one of the greatest feelings, seeing them walk out, with so much confidence. Being the only Spanish instructor, there is a huge demand for more. I totally recommend anyone who's, interested to become an instructor that can speak Spanish or any other language. I totally recommend that you do it, because there is plenty of opportunity. There's always new technicians coming in that need that information, that training. So, even if it's not in Spanish, I always tell people, hey, document your work well, because it's going to be something that's required once you do apply to become an instructor, and among other things. But yeah, I definitely recommend that, if you're interested, do it.